Did want sour? I know I heard, bro. It's up to you. It's your life. No. Are the keys in the box, right? Or do you have the keys? Yeah, I am. I gotta know this. Are the keys in the box, buddy? I didn't get an answer. Are they? What? Okay. No, I'll leave you alone and head back down. I think you got this on your own, man. I think you're okay on your own. But I'm asking, the keys are in the box, right? Yeah, okay. Okay, done.
Don't stay out too late. No, you're hanging here. No. I thought you were gonna have it. All right. Stop. I mean, no pressure. No, there's never any pressure. It's your life, but just let me know when I'm becoming too much. That's all. Three's a crowd, sometimes.
It's really not funny.
I love it.
Did want sour? I know I heard, bro. It's up to you. It's your life. No. Are the keys in the box, right? Or do you have the keys? Yeah, I am. I gotta know this. Are the keys in the box, buddy? I gotta know this. Are the keys in the box, buddy?
Go home and whack off. It's free. It's free.
Yeah. It's free.
I like to save my money.
He's that air hum guy.
I got you.
No. Are you in charge tower? Green color. Green. He's free.
keep seeing that, man. They keep trying to sell us to hookers, man. Bro. He thinks tonight's gonna be any different. Same thing.
Okay.
So where's this place? I'm ready. Okay.
But no chickens there, right?
None? Oh my god, now. Well, there's plenty there, so it's fine. It's fine, dude. You can't be a maniac.
Huh?
You can't be a maniac all the time. They've got plenty over there. Just go, maybe. Like me, I'm trying to find a YouTube partner. You know, you're trying to advance your business, right? The network, at least, right? So.